Hi everyone, my name is Lisa.
And I'm Irid.
With the cold weather upon us, we are going to share with you some fun and easy indoor activities you can participate with your children from the comfort of your own home using accessible materials.
Messy and sensory play is extremely important for a child's development. Sensory play experiences inspire their wonder, which allows them to explore the world around them. This enhances their learning, language, and creativity. No mess smush painting. Blob your preferred paint colors onto a piece of paper. Place the paper inside a Ziplock bag and close it firmly. You can tape the bag to be more secure. Let your little one explore, mix, and smush the paint around the paper, creating a beautiful abstract art. Once finished, let the art dry and hang it up. Sensory bags using paint in window. Take a plastic bag. Today we are using Ziplock bag. Add in some paint. You can use as many colors as you would like. Hang it up on a window and watch as the light shines through. To make it more interesting, give your little one some Qtips to draw with. To make it more fun, you can practice by mixing the colors, drawing shapes, patterns, numbers, and even letters. Thank you so much for watching.
Please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!